up over my knees into my thighs, and to walk through the snow. My goal is way over there, and to get a kayak out and fishing pole, a life vest with my live bait. Go fishing. It's April 1st, the day for fools. We all know where that leaves me. Stupid. Very stupid. But hey, it's 43 degrees. Sun's out. I'm up to my crotch. And I'm stuck. Come on. And I'm stupid. Did I say it was a day for fools? It's a day for this fool. For sure. Oh yeah. Workout just to go fishing. Come on. Still trying to make my way to the cottage. Thinking. Stupid. Well, I made it over here. Didn't have to do too much digging. That was hard walking though. Camp's over that way. The boat's way up and around there. Lots of snow on it with my life vest, so I have to use all the life vests, which aren't going to be very comfortable. But and I need a fishing pole. Knee deep, thigh deep, crotch deep. Oh, come on. Stay up. Yeah. Crotch deep. And I crawl. But know what? I didn't catch any fish, but I had a lot of fun. April Fools, everybody. Apparently I'm proving them right that it is a day for fools. Happy birthday, Grammy.